Chat makers, today I'm super excited to show you a brand new upgrade project for the QiDi Q2. So, we've got two different front panels, one with a nice decorative look and the other with a storage box built in. Style or storage, your choice. Then we've got two drawers. One is for scraps, trimmings, or you know, the poop. We all know it. The other drawer is for tools, and this one even supports the Gridfinity system. So everything stays clean, organized, and ready to go like a pro setup. We've got the classic rear pipe. And check this out. There's an LED strip that lights up when you open the drawers. Or, if you're a total pro, you can use it to show the printer's status. Mood lighting meets functionality. To finish everything off, we've added a build plate holder and space for HULA feet. A clean, tidy, well-organized QiDi Q2. That's the mod, baby. Hey, don't forget to check out my website, show some support, and drop a like or a comment. See you out there in the Makerverse. Ciao.